And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this unit that I got from FENJUN Hair Company on Amazon. This is their 14-inch Yaki straight unit, and it's a 13x6 parting space unit. It has 3 combs to the front, 1 to the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So if you are interested to see how I installed and styled this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the unit that I'm going to be installing today is from FENJUN Hair Company, 100% human hair wigs. I got their 14-inch Yaki straight unit, and I also got a pair of stocking cap and a pair of earrings that I would never wear. But onto the cap construction of this unit, it is a 150% density. It has a light brown lace. It also has a 13x6 deep parting space. It has 3 combs to the front portion and 1 to the back. It also came with adjustable straps, so you can adjust this unit to your liking. So onto the styling part of this video, I'm going to be taking my blast free spray to do the ball cap method. I'm cutting off a bit of the stocking cap around my ear area, and after the blast free spray is dried, I'm just cutting off the excess stocking cap to the front portion. So after I finish cutting off the stocking cap, I am going in with my setting powder, and then I'm going to be cutting off the lace around my ear area. And that is when I noticed that this unit was not big head friendly, but I'm going to work my magic on this unit, so keep watching. So I'm going in with my Ghost Bond Classic glue, and I'm applying the glue in front of my hairline, and then I'm going to be taking my comb to blend out the glue evenly. So after the glue is dry, I'm just going to push the unit into the glue. As you can see, the glue looks a bit whitish now, but after a while, after it dries completely, it would look completely different. So after that, I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace to the front portion of this unit, and then I'm just going in with some Got To Be blast free spray again, because this lace was a bit on the lighter side. So I decided to do a right side part, so I'm just parting out my hair in that direction. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation to perfect the knots on this unit to the front portion. It may look a bit darker now, but after I go in with my mousse and everything, you would see how it blends seamlessly. But I'm just working on applying the foundation right now, and then I'm going in with my olive oil mega moisture mousse to lay my front area, my baby hair and everything. So after I finish laying my baby hair, I'm just gonna go in and tie my hair for like an hour. So after the hour is up, I'm going in with more blast free spray, and then I'm going to flat iron this unit a bit. I love how it looks like if you just got a fresh relaxer. I'm loving this unit, and I also dyed this unit black because it came in a natural brown color, and I also bleached the knot on this unit as well. So this is the end result, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So until next time, always remember to put God first in everything that you do, and see you in my next video. God bless. You call me every day.